Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Hired Pro, beginner guide step by step clearly. To register with Hired Pro, begin by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in the Hired Pro URL and press enter. Once the home page loads, locate the sign up button on the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to start the registration process. You will be directed to a new page with multiple registration options. Choose to register either using your email or through a social media account. If you opt for email registration, enter your email address in the designated field. Next, create a strong password and input it in the password field. Make sure to confirm your password by re-entering it in the appropriate box. After filling in the required fields, read through the terms of service. If you agree to the terms, check the box to accept them. Now, click on the Create Account button to proceed. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after. Open your email inbox and locate the confirmation email from Hired Pro. Click on the link provided in the email to verify your account. Once redirected, you may be prompted to complete your profile. Fill in necessary details such as your name, location, and skills. Upload a professional profile picture that accurately represents you. After completing your profile details, save your changes. Now, you can explore available job opportunities on the platform. Use the search bar to find positions that match your skills and interests. To apply for a job, click on the listing to view more details. If you wish to apply, click the Apply Now button at the bottom of the listing. Finally, submit any required additional information or documents as prompted. Congratulations! You are now registered and ready to use Hired Pro. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.